Aidonia, wife, lifestyle, career, family, and net worth. Aidonia, born Sheldon Itana Lawrence in Kingston, Jamaica, is one of dancehall's most prominent figures. He burst onto the scene in the mid-2000s, earning a reputation for his raw, gritty lyricism and commanding stage presence. Over the years, he has remained a force within the genre, constantly evolving his sound while staying true to his hardcore roots. Subscribe to this channel kindly. Career. Aidonia's journey into the world of dancehall began with his affiliation to the Bounty Killer-led Alliance, but he later formed his own collective, Jag One Productions, J.O.P. In 2004, his breakthrough came with songs like Lolly, Ukku Bit, and Jooky Jam, which cemented his place in the dancehall scene. Known for his high-energy performances and aggressive lyrical content, Aidonia quickly gained a loyal following, both locally and internationally. He continued to build his catalog with hits such as Nuh Boring Gyal, and Banga, establishing himself as one of the most versatile artists in dancehall. Aidonia's music often addresses a range of topics, from explicit party anthems to songs that speak to street life, which resonates with fans across various demographics. His ability to seamlessly merge hardcore dancehall with more commercial sounds has allowed him to stay relevant even as new artists emerge. Aidonia has also performed at major music festivals and toured extensively, bringing his fiery performances to audiences in Europe, North America, and the Caribbean. His international appeal has helped him secure collaborations with other notable artists in the dancehall and reggae world, enhancing his reputation as one of the genre's key players. Lifestyle. Aidonia is known for his extravagant lifestyle, which he frequently showcases on social media. A lover of fashion, he often dons designer clothes and shoes, representing the glitz and glamour often associated with top-tier dancehall artists. His social media presence reflects his love for expensive cars, luxurious vacations, and an overall flashy lifestyle that mirrors his success. In addition to his flashy side, Aidonia also emphasizes fitness and health. He frequently shares workout routines and promotes a healthy lifestyle, which is somewhat unusual for a genre where the focus is more often on indulgence than wellness. Aidonia's balanced approach to life, between his work hard/play hard philosophy and commitment to staying fit, has inspired fans who admire his discipline and dedication to success. Family. Family plays a central role in Aidonia's life. He is married to Kimberly Megan, and the two have been together for many years. The couple welcomed their son, King Khalif Lawrence, in 2013. Aidonia has frequently spoken about the importance of his family, often sharing moments of their life on social media, portraying himself as a devoted father and husband. His relationship with his wife, Kimberly, has been a subject of admiration within the dancehall community, as they are seen as one of the industry's most iconic power couples. Aidonia's commitment to his family adds a humanizing dimension to his persona, showcasing the balance between his public and private life. Net worth. As of 2024, Aidonia's estimated net worth is between $2 million and $3 million. His wealth stems primarily from music sales, live performances, endorsements, and business ventures. Aidonia's ability to adapt to the ever-changing landscape of dancehall has allowed him to maintain a steady flow of income over the years, ensuring his financial stability. In conclusion, Aidonia is not just a dancehall artist. He is a symbol of longevity and versatility within the genre. His career, marked by consistent hits, international tours, and a dedicated fan base, has kept him at the forefront of Jamaican music for nearly 2 decades. Through his music, lifestyle, and commitment to family, Aidonia continues to solidify his legacy as one of dancehall's elite.